In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Azure DevOps project. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right level of access. To delete a project in Azure DevOps, you'll need Project Administrator or Organization Administrator permissions. If you don't have one of those roles, the delete option may not appear, so it's worth checking that first. Once you're signed in, open the Azure DevOps organization that contains the project you want to remove. This is important if you belong to more than one organization, because project settings and administrative actions only apply within the specific organization you're currently viewing. From there, select the project you want to delete. Take a moment here to make sure you've opened the correct one. Deleting a project is a serious action, and in many cases, it affects repositories, boards, pipelines, and other project-related data tied to that workspace. After opening the project, go to Project Settings. You can find Project Settings at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. This area contains the administrative controls for the project, including the option to remove it. When the settings page opens, stay on the overview page and scroll down until you reach the danger zone section. Azure places deletion options here intentionally since these actions are meant to be handled carefully and only when you're absolutely sure. In the danger zone, click Delete. A warning message will appear, and you should read it carefully before moving forward. This message explains that deleting the project can impact all associated resources and that the action should be confirmed deliberately. If prompted, enter the project name to confirm the deletion. This extra confirmation step helps prevent accidental removal, especially in organizations where multiple projects may have similar names. Be sure to type the name exactly as shown. Once that's done, click Delete again to confirm. At this point, Azure DevOps will begin the deletion process for the selected project. To verify that the deletion was successful, return to the organization's project list. Look through the list and confirm that the project no longer appears there. If it's gone, the deletion has been completed successfully. And that's how to delete an Azure DevOps project. As a final reminder, always double-check the project name and review the warning message before confirming, especially if the project contains active work, code, or build configurations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.